Hello everyone, my name is Irfan Čustović and my thesis is about mobile factory digital twins improving production management in construction projects. I want to first start with the question of how can we build the houses and the infrastructure more efficiently and sustainable in the coming decades. If we use on-site construction, we will likely suffer from poor efficiency. If we use off-site manufacturing, we will be more efficient, but we will cause long transport distances. Recently, research suggests the application of mobile factories for more efficient and sustainable on-demand production. The factory is delivered to the site, the temporary structure is assembled, and then production takes place in this safe environment. However, the mobile factories will be operated on the intersection of manufacturing and construction. This brings some unique challenges. First of all, the factories are only operated for a single project and cannot balance workloads across projects. This causes a fluctuating production volume. And still these factories are systems with dedicated operations models, so they don't belong to the specific construction activities. I want to address this with interdisciplinary production management and integrated information management systems. So I wonder if there's any concept that could address these two aspects simultaneously. There is. It's a digital twin. Digital twins represent physical objects with virtual data. They represent in real time. So they can also detect inefficiencies and suggest optimizations, for example, like putting the glasses on. Combining digital twins and these two problems, my research question is how to improve production management in construction projects using integrated digital twins of mobile factories. I want to address this in 4 steps. First, I want to see how to capture data, so I will define the information requirements for decision making in prefabrication factories. Then I want to assign real-time digital twin process data to specific product instances for later lifecycle phases. I want to exploit this linked data to ensure operational resilience of mobile factories with integrated digital twin simulations. And lastly, I want to evaluate the human data interaction with increasing digital twin automation. This research is part of a research project called Smart Mobile Factory for Infrastructure project with researchers from 4 universities. And the good thing is we have an industry partner that wants to build the infrastructure of the future. With that, I want to thank you for your attention.